캡틴께서 사과 방송 좀 하고 싶으시다고 하셔서 저희가 좀 먼저 캡틴 방송부터 한번 들어보신 다음에 제가 추가적으로 안내해드리도록 하겠습니다.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Daniele Poli. I'm the captain of the flight. As you probably have guessed, first of all, apologies for this having taken so long. Unfortunately, these things in aviation happen from time to time. The airplane has an issue that needs to be rectified before we are allowed to operate. We did our best to be able to fix it in time to make the flight to Abu Dhabi and get you all where you needed to go. Unfortunately for today, there is nothing else we can do about it, and the flight will have to be rescheduled. I do understand this causes major problems in everybody's life. I'm really sorry for that. Etihad will do our absolute best to minimize the problems and the difficulties. Once again, thanks for having chosen to fly with us, and sorry for the inconvenience, but again, these things unfortunately in aviation happen. Disruption are something that can happen, and I'm sorry that it happened tonight. Thank you, and have a nice evening. Bye.
우선 추가적으로 안내 말씀드리면 일단 항공기가 벼락이 된 이상 손님께서 지금 가서 쉬실 지금 호텔이나 근처에 호텔 등 저희가 지금 확인 중에 있고, 그 다음에 먼저 빨리 바깥으로 나가시려면 굉장히 좀 복잡한 절차가 있지만 이쪽 출국 가신 절차만큼 바깥에 나가시는 절차가 좀 복잡한 관계로 저희가 각 기관에 좀 승인을 받는 시간이 좀 필요하고요. 최대한 빨리 승인을 받아서 손님 모시고 바깥에 호텔로 일단 안내를 해드리고, 그 다음 스케줄에 대해서는 저희가 이게 언제 고쳐질지 좀 정확하게 확인이 되고 나면 그 다음 스케줄에 대해서는 호텔 또는 손님께서 등록하신 이메일로 통해가지고 저희가 다음 스케줄을 안내해 드릴 예정입니다. Sorry for this, apologize for this, the cancellation information. What we're gonna do is the first stage is the re-clearance about the CIQ. Because what we're gonna do is we are going to assist you to the nearest hotel for all guests and stay in there until our new schedule is released. The new departure time is not fixed yet, so we have to figure it out when the flight is return serviceable and what time we can flight to Abu Dhabi. And also we are considering about the onward flight connection, which we need to rebook as a first available flight until your destination. So please remain sitting here until we obtain all the clearance from the authority, then the hotel arrangement, then we will assist every single guest to the hotel nearby.